In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a product packaging design in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size so you can set the exact dimensions for your packaging. Enter the required size for your packaging design based on your product label or box measurements. This ensures the design fits properly when printed. Once the blank canvas opens, go to the File menu and use the View settings to add guides or columns. This helps divide the canvas into sections such as the front and back of the package. Next, start designing the background. Add colors, textures, or patterns that match your product's brand or theme. After that, go to the Elements section to add icons, shapes, or graphics that represent your product. For example, you can add natural icons for organic products or modern graphics for tech items. Now add text to your packaging. Include the product name, brand name, tagline, and other details such as ingredients, instructions, or product benefits. Adjust the fonts, colors, and layout so everything looks balanced and easy to read. Make sure important information is clearly visible on the design. Once your packaging design is complete, click Share and then Download. Choose a format like PDF, print, or PNG so the design stays high quality when printed. That is how you create a product packaging design in Canva.